In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring schedules in Hubstaff. To get started, open Hubstaff and look to the left-hand sidebar. From there, click Calendar. This is where you can view upcoming shifts, manage team availability, and build out schedules in a more organized way. Once you're on the calendar page, select the Schedules tab. Make sure you're in the correct tab before moving on, since Hubstaff separates calendar views and scheduling tools. Next, click Actions, and then choose Create Shifts. This opens the shift creation window where you'll enter all the important details for the schedule you want to set up. Take your time here, because these settings determine exactly when the shift appears and how often it repeats. Start by selecting the team member. This tells Hubstaff who the shift belongs to. After that, enter the from date, which is the date the schedule should begin. Then fill in the start time and end time. Be careful to double check these times so the schedule matches the expected working hours. You'll also need to choose the correct time zone. This is especially important if your team works across different regions, because using the wrong time zone can cause the shift to appear at the wrong time for the person assigned to it. If needed, you can also enter minimum hours. This field is optional, but it can be useful if you want to set a baseline number of hours expected for the shift. Once the basic shift details are filled in, move down to the recurring shift options section. Here, you'll choose how often the shift should repeat. If you select Never, Hubstaff will create a one-time shift only. If you choose Weekly, the shift will repeat every week. If you choose Bi-weekly, it will repeat every 2 weeks. Pick the option that best fits the work pattern you're trying to schedule. After choosing the recurrence type, select the days of the week the shift should repeat. This step helps define the schedule more precisely. For example, if someone works the same hours every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, this is where you would set that pattern. If you want the recurring schedule to stop automatically at a certain point, enable repeats until and choose the end date. This is optional, but it's helpful for temporary schedules, seasonal staffing, or project-based work that doesn't need to continue indefinitely. When everything looks correct, click Save. Hubstaff will automatically add the recurring shifts to the calendar, so you can immediately see the schedule in place. That's it. Your recurring schedule is now created and ready to use.